Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justine. It has been a long time since we just filmed together, so I'm a little excited breaking up some of the cosplay videos. I know there has been a lot, but it is time now for a Lolita video. I'm so excited. This is the very first time I am courting this dress, and it's very specifically to match the item I'm unboxing. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm worried this is a little unbalanced, so heavy, but I love the star and I love the bow. And I didn't really have any jewelry, so I picked a little owl because these black and white, like the kind of the outfit, and owls come out at night. So the stars, I'm rolling with it. We're making it work. Honestly, the super fun part about this is the dress glows in the dark, which you can't see right now because it's very bright in here, but just trust me. So this is such a fun dress. I have to find reasons to wear it out soon. It's also very hot because it's still very warm despite it being September now. And this is a lot of black. Even my tights are black. You can't see them. Trying to get some air in there. Alright, but let's get the unboxing started. You guys did not come here to talk about how hot I am in my dress. Let's do this. So here she is. It came via DHL, which I have not had a package come via them in a very long time. There is also customs charges, $25, which I have also not had to pay in a very long time, but I can't be too upset. It's kind of something you always got to expect when you're ordering over online. Can't totally complain. I pre-ordered this ages ago, so I'm so excited that it's finally here. Let's get this open. Okay, I don't have to bust out any scissors. Oh no. It's the right item, but I already see a concern. So here she is. The very first concern being, I definitely thought this trim at the edge was silver, not gold. And it's a little concerning to me that it's gold. I mean, not that I dislike gold, but I planned the entire court around this being silver. So that's going to be interesting. But let's open it up and take a look. So there's this ribbon, which is obviously used for tying around the waist, I'm going to assume. I mean, there's really nowhere else you could put it. So that's there. It's a little bent because it's been folded up, but a quick old iron will fix that right up, so I'm not that concerned. And here she is. That's also very short. There's so much happening with this. Alright, this is from a brand called, I'm going to butcher this, Boguta. Boguta? I don't know. But that's the brand. I ordered this via My Lolita Wardrobe on Twitter. I follow their feed, and every once in a while something pops up that I knew I have to have, and this was one of them. It is advertised as an underskirt to go under other dresses, so you see the little stars at the end. But honestly, this is so thick, I could see it just being a regular skirt, except that I guess, alright, it's about the length, you can't see because I'm cut off, but it's about the length of my dress. A little bit shorter, but we will see. We're going to try it both under the dress and by itself. So the inside is nicely lined with a dark fabric, nothing itchy or scratchy there. And then there's a layer of tulle. The stars are attached to the inside lining, and then you've got tulle, and then you've got the over tulle with all the glittery stars on it, which are nice. The waistband, as you've been seeing as I've been tightening on it, is elastic. So there's a lot of give, a lot of room for different sizes. Although this is still quite a small waist. I think I got the large. I can't fully remember. It's been a while since I placed my order. But that sounds like something I would do. The stars are good quality at the end. They're sewn on well. I don't feel like they're going to fall off or get damaged in any way. And they don't feel like they're going to bother my legs. I mean, chances are you're going to have full tights on. I know that's what most people do. But there's also the ankle sock look, which is super cute and something I might do. So it's good to know that these probably won't bother my legs too much. Here is a close-up. It has got a nice stretchy waistband. There you go. You can see that. There's it on the inside. I don't think that's helpful to anybody. There's loads and loads of sparkly stars all over the tulle, and they look so beautiful as you're twirling them around. There's all the stars at the end. I really wish these were silver. It's still a very nice skirt overall. So let's give her a try. Okay, I was having issues getting a full body in which you could actually see what the stars were doing, so we're doing a half. To get the stars to stick out, I have my petticoat up a little bit higher and the skirt kind of sitting a little bit lower on the petticoat underneath. But there they are sticking out, and that's really cute. I think at worst, if I did make an error and order gold, it can work with this outfit. I'm just going to have to get some gold accessories instead of silver. But otherwise, this is really, really fun and was exactly what I was picturing. Oh man, that is so cute. It is a heck of a lot of layers now though, and I could definitely see sweltering in the summer, so that's not ideal, but it's worth it to look this cute. Alright, let's try the skirt all by itself. So I 100% can see that the skirt could in fact worked by itself as its own skirt. The stars do make it hit my knees, and I can move it a little more down my waist. This petticoat obviously is far too long for it though. You can see it sticking out at the bottom from the stars, although I kind of think that's a little bit cute. I don't know about you guys, although I'm pretty sure it's a big no-no to have your petty showing. A black one might work, or maybe like another underskirt for my underskirt, or just a smaller petticoat. But either way, it's so fun, it's so glittery. I want to be the night sky. I have noticed through changing, getting up and down, all that sort of stuff, there are a few glitter stars on my floor. So it does shed a little bit, but that's pretty normal when it comes to things like these. And for the amount that's down there, I'm not that worried about it. It's not like it's gonna go bald in a day. So that's okay. I didn't feel like resetting up my camera again, so we're finishing the video like this. Overall, very, very happy with this skirt. It is beautiful. I am definitely still going to check, like I said, if I ordered it in silver, because I'm pretty sure I did. And if I did, that means everything else that I got matches. Like, I had this cord in my head. It was so well planned out. If not, at worst, I mean, gold is fine. I have gold accessories. I'll have to get something different for my hair. But I can absolutely make that work. It's not a huge deal. I just definitely would have preferred silver. I like silver. I'm a silver sort of person. We're going to do it like half and half for the ribbon. I haven't ironed this, so it is a little wrinkly. But I guess you just basically tie this around like this. I mean, however you want to tie it. Here you guys are going to see once again how awful I am at tying bows. Please don't kick me out of Lolita. I'm working on it. There we go. So that's it with its little bow on. So definitely can work as just a regular skirt. That's not a problem. But it does make a very cute underskirt, and then you don't have to worry as much about like petticoats showing through and everything. But I can just get a shorter petticoat. I'm not that concerned. Alright everybody, I'm coming to the end of this video now. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about this skirt and if you have any cording tips for me at all. If you want to check out this skirt or even just Lolita wardrobe in general, I will of course post all the links below so you can find them. Don't forget to check out my Lolita Instagram as well in the description below, where there will be photos of this specific cord that I am wearing. There's also other fun little links if you're into them. Alright, we're cutting it off here everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!